going on, YouTube? Out here trying to hustle and man, you know, I'm gonna be real with y'all, cause y'all is therapy for me. I hasn't been happy since last year. What I mean is this. I'm happy to be alive. I'm happy to see a new day. But I hasn't been happy with myself as a man since last year when I got this truck. I was happy when I got it back. I hasn't been happy because, you know, I got some friends. This ain't their dream, it was my dream. But I had some friends that helped me out. See, when my truck was in the shop for four and a half months, I went through my money. I was trying to pay bills, trying to keep my truck and pay this, trying to do everything. I wasn't making money to do. And I went through credit cards. And I was depleted. My phone was depleted, and they helped me out. Friends who help you, you know, sometimes it's like, hey, God put the right people around you. But you know, it's it's raised on me because I owe money. I had the truck at 6 months and I still owe the money. I was behind in so much bills. You know, I was behind on car payment. Lucky that my car got totaled, so that was gone. And I turned around and got another car. I got behind on payments on that. Because I was so busy driving somebody else's truck. They was paying me 30%. I was killing my damn self. And I'm trying to keep this truck, trying to pay insurance. I just got behind on everything. Every bill it knows to have, I was behind on. To credit card, to car payment, to insurance, you name it. Light, rent, behind. And so far, money I've made since I've been out here was catching everything up. And just when I'm thinking that, oh man, you know, I'm gonna catch this up and I'm doing this and I'm doing that, bam, that don't shut on me. Like Monday. Did $1,000, less than that, I did $300 some dollars, then $200 some dollars. Can't make it like that, man. I got this board open, I got fucking that board open, I got so many boards open, ain't nothing coming out. It's like, one man, you know, I can't make it like this. And I'm thinking about selling my truck. I'm telling no lie, people, I'm thinking about selling my truck. Selling the truck about 60, 65, 70,000. Pay the truck off and then pay people who I owe them. Because you know why? Because I don't want to owe them money no more. I don't want to lose friendship for fucking bullshit. Friendship more to me than money because, you know, I don't let too many people get close to me. I don't call too many people friends. And me owing them money is hurt. It hurts me, bro. Fucking, it crushes me. Every time I talk to them on the phone, and we can talk about football, we can talk about this. When I'm on the phone with you, on the phone with them, on my mind like I owe this man money. get off the phone with him or this man money. I haven't had a good night's sleep because the fact is, it's like, how I'm gonna make it and I owe somebody money. Shit kills me, man. Listen, I've been driving for 25 years and I ain't never thought trucking would have been like this. But you know the baddest thing is, we have these people in Congress, in the White House, ain't doing shit for us. Ain't doing shit for the truck driver. You ain't doing nothing for the fucking truck driver. We got people, we got truck drivers who are supposed to be the backbone of this country. Without truck drivers, this country is shut down. What are they doing to help us out? Nothing. We know the Republicans ain't gonna help. The Republicans not gonna help do nothing, because the only thing they want to do is make this country under dictatorship. They rather have a dictator running this country than we have our own free will. And the fuck they lie and lie and lie, and we got people that follow them, believe the lie instead of looking up themselves. We got Democrats that fighting with the Republicans. You know, instead of fighting with the Republicans and fighting with Trump, do something for the American people. Do something for your truck drivers. I hasn't been happy in a long time. But don't get me wrong, there's a lot of truck drivers out here doing good. But I know a lot out here struggling. I was talking to a buddy of mine today that he got his truck, man, and he's like, you know what, man, I've been doing this for so and so time. I'm thinking about just giving it up. Can't do it no more, man. I'm losing money. I'm trying to do this. I mean, he was damn near in tears when I was talking to him, and he said, man, this is stressing me. It's stressing him. It's stressing his marriage. It's stressing relationship with kids. He said, I can't do this no more. And he said, there's nobody out here trying to help us as the truck drivers. We got these brokers, they out here trying to make us run something under $2 a mile. There's no way that we should not be getting no less than $2.50 a mile. There's no way. You can't tell me about, oh, the economy bad, or this. No, I don't want to hear it. We should be making more than just $2.50 a mile. Looking for something, y'all. It's alright, but I'm looking for something. It seems like I can't find it. About selling my truck. I don't want to do this no more. I do not want to do this no more, y'all. this no more. So I'm going home. I'm gonna put this truck on eBay, every way I can put it up, where I can put it up on, and that's it. I pray. I don't know how much more I can pray. God got me through a lot of stuff. Don't get me wrong, He did. But I'm also getting back into stuff, and I'm tired of fighting. I can't fight no more. Cannot fight no more, man. So just want somebody to talk to, y'all. Looking for my daggone wallet. Where's my wallet at? I just ask everybody, man, just appreciate y'all support, man, but this battle I've been fighting for so long, man. Just can't do this no more. I'm not happy, man. I'm not happy because I owe my friends money. I'm not happy because I'm not making it of what I should be doing. You know, I have my own truck, man. I should be doing a whole lot better than I am, but I'm not. So I'm putting my truck up for sale. I gotta pay my friends back, man. I gotta have a peace of mind. Gotta have peace of mind. So I'm gonna end this video, man. So I welcome your comments. Hopefully one day I can smile. Hopefully one day I can feel good about myself.